Voice controlled home automation using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of voice controlled home automation using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board from Lakshpal, Suyash Kumar, and Kartik. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of voice controlled home automation using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill development board. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.
Hello everyone, welcome to our project of controlling home appliances through voice command. So the aim of the project is to make life easier and convenient for those elderly and differently abled, making them accessible to control their home appliances remotely. So we have used Bluetooth module and STM controller. They are smart, making that system which is smart yet affordable for them, which enable them to control their home appliances remotely and easily.
Our team consists of 3 people. Myself, Kartik, roll number 2023 UCS 1720. My role in the project was to do the market research and build the hardware of the project.
My name is Lakshpal and my roll number is 2023 UCS 1743, and my role in the project is I have done research and coding part for the STM32 controller.
My name is Suyash Kumar. My roll number is 2023 UCS 1680. I have contributed in the development of the application for this project. So, our project offers several advantages. It's cost effective and easy to implement using readily available components. It improves accessibility for people with mobility issues. It can be scaled up easily by adding more appliances or integrating with smart home systems. It eliminates the use of physical switches, adding convenience and safety.
Our project mainly consists of 3 parts. The first is hardware part, the second is the code part, and the third is the application part. For our hardware part, we have used STM32 Blue Pill microcontroller and an FTDI module to send our code from our laptop to our microcontroller, and a Bluetooth module HC-05 to connect our app with our microcontroller. After uploading of the code from FTDI, we can remove it and the code will be stored in the microcontroller. And for connection to our appliances, we have used a 4-channel relay module so that we can control our appliances.
So now on to the coding part of STM32 Blue Pill microcontroller. This is the coding part, and we have programmed the STM32 to listen for incoming Bluetooth commands. And these commands determine whether the particular relay should be turned on and off, of which respective signal have been given from the mobile app. This code ensures the safety and proper signal reading and efficient control of the connected appliances.
Now on to the application part of the project. So this is the app for the project. Here we can see in the dashboard we have 2 appliances added currently, which we can switch on or off using the switches on the right side. In the voice command, we can press the middle button to give a command to the STM32, and it will further decode the command to perform required actions. In the settings page, we can connect to the Bluetooth module and access the other settings of the app. So on to the working part of the project. So first of all, we have to connect the HC-05 Bluetooth module with the application, which can be done in the settings section of the application. After connecting the Bluetooth module, we can go to the dashboard to manually turn on the bulbs. For example, if I switch on the red bulb, and there it goes. So if we want to give voice command, we can come on to the second section of the application and give the voice command. Turn on blue bulb. And there it goes.
Our project costs around 900 rupees, which is much less than the commercial counterparts like Philips Hue or Google Home, which is much more cost efficient. Our project also operates in an offline mode, which do not require any internet connection.
While the other commercially available products offer a broader set of features, our project focuses on the core automation of house appliances and offers a simpler way to control them.
In conclusion, our project is a step towards smart homes and increases the role of IoT in our daily lives. And our solution showcases how affordable microcontrollers and simple voice interfaces can create an amazing system that can increase the house automation and accessibility. And it also provides a solid foundation for Wi-Fi-like system like Alexa and Google Assistant.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.